Alright, y'all, figured I'd put together a quick video just kind of review all the action from today. So let's update on the focus list we had this morning. So what do we need to see here from the market to start getting a little bit confident that this pullback we've seen lately is nothing but another dip inside of a very strong market and that we're just going to continue from here? So I think the first thing we got to be seeing before we get too aggressive to the upside is the volatility index falling back towards the 21 EMA. So VIX is down today. It is a bit of a better start, but I don't think we're out of the woods just yet. So if we can get back down to the 21, get back in this range, I think that is a great start for those looking for the market to go higher. And then as far as the structure of the daily charts, we do want to see both of the indexes closing back above the 21 EMA. So you can see today the SPY rallies right to the 21, does get stuff there into the close. We'll see if we can work our way back up above tomorrow, or is this an instance where you get the big rip back to the 21, you get rejected, and you go back and test those lows. So we do want to see the SPY getting back above the 21, but the Qs here, they did it today. They done did it. So on the backs of Amazon having a huge day, up 4.5%, Facebook up 1.5%, Apple had a good day, up 1.5% as well, Google was up 3.5%, and then Microsoft, which is just on a tear as of late. Obviously, with all the strength in those names there, you're going to have a good-looking day for technology. So, of course, there's a lot riding on Amazon and Google earnings this week. If they totally bomb, it's going to drag the tech right down with it. If they happen to rip to the upside, you should see some upside followed by the overall tech basket. So, those are the bigger picture things to focus on. As far as moves we made here today, so I did take off one of my put credit spreads for NVIDIA. So I had the put credit spread that expired this coming Friday, and I did take that off the table for a small chunk of profits. I'm still holding on to the February 19th expiration put credit spread with the short strike at 520. And NVIDIA today, much like the SPY, gets a quick rip back to the 21. But you can see the last couple of times here, you just end up getting stuffed. So I do have the long position with the February 19th put credit spread. So for a little bit of potential weekly income, I did sell a call credit spread for this Friday's expiration, selling the calls up here at 545. So it's a nice balance. If NVIDIA just kind of chops back and forth for the rest of the week, we're making money on the put credit spread and we're collecting some profit from the call spread. If NVIDIA kind of grinds higher slowly, we're making money on both. If NVIDIA rolls over and does get stuffed here at the 21, we'll be glad we got a little bit of profit coming in from the call credit spread. And should NVIDIA be so strong that it rips right through 545 and is making a go for it, I'm not going to be complaining. The gains we'll make on the put credit spread will more than offset that their call credit spread. So that's that. Still holding my position in Amazon, so we did get a good chunk of those losses back today. So we're sitting at a little bit of profit. This is all about earnings. So I'm holding on tight, got plenty of time at the March 19th expiration in the short strike, deep out the money here at 3,000. So holding on to NVIDIA, holding on to Amazon. I'm going to hold pins through earnings. I got the put credit spread here. Nice bounce back for pins today, so keep holding on to that one. Still holding on to PLTR. Nice dip to the AEMA. If we do end up fading back to the 21, I think that's an opportunity to add to the swing position. So we have March expiration put credit spread with our short strike all the way down here at 23. So if we do get the dip to the mean, might be a good spot to add to the squeeze there. For INO, took profits off the table today. So we did take the entry last week as the squeeze was firing, sat through a little bit of a dip, which did nothing to kind of ruin the structure of the squeeze, getting rewarded here this morning. So closed up NVIDIA. Closed up INO, so there's both of those trades right there. Here's what I got open: NVIDIA, pins, NEO, a couple of call credit spreads. So for NEO today, a little bit of a flush this morning, bounces back, closes nicely above the 21 EMA. Going to continue to watch the squeeze, going to continue to hold on to that long position, and I still got those call credit spreads. So in the event we get stuffed and roll over a bit here, going to bring in some nice premium from the call credit spread. If the market just rips into Friday, you'd like to think Amazon, NVIDIA, and the other long positions will cover any losses on the call spread. And as far as a couple of setups I'm focusing on here, I do like Blink. Good looking daily squeeze. You got the reversion to the mean. If the market holds up from here and begins to turn the corner, making another push towards a new high, I would like a position in Blink. So I think that looks pretty solid. We did do a couple of earnings trades today. So Baba has earnings tomorrow morning. We sold the Iron Condor. banking on a less than expected move. So just about a $10 market maker move. We sold options $15 below and above the current price of the Condor. So we got the BABA and we also did the UPS. So UPS is another one announcing earnings tomorrow. They were pricing in a $10 move. We upped the ante about $20 out the money. Sold those calls up here at, I believe, let's see. It's been a long day. Sold the puts at 140, bought the 135s, and then sold the calls at 170, and then bought the 175s. So we got our long strike here at 170. We got our short strike down there at 140. Basically placing the bet here that tomorrow morning, UPS opens up somewhere in this range. Somewhere under 170 and somewhere above 140. And we'll collect a little bit of profit from that implied volatility crush. So that's what we're rocking with. Wish you all the best of luck tomorrow. Talk to you soon.